Cryptocurrency is one of the most exciting and accessible investment opportunities today, offering the potential for life-changing returns with even a small starting amount. In this video, we'll reveal proven strategies to help you turn $50 into $5,000 with crypto, no matter your level of experience. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategy, these steps are designed to maximize growth while managing risk. Step 1. Start small but think big. With just $50, you can start building a crypto portfolio, but the key is to adopt a growth mindset. Use this initial amount as a learning tool to understand the market and make strategic decisions. Remember, crypto is volatile, so patience and discipline are crucial for success. Step 2. Choose the right cryptocurrencies. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. Focus on large-cap coins like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These are stable and provide consistent growth potential. Promising altcoins. Look for projects with strong fundamentals, innovative technology, and active communities. Research their roadmaps, partnerships, and use cases to identify potential winners. Step 3. Leverage dollar cost averaging, DCA, investing small, consistent amounts over time, e.g., $10 weekly, helps you reduce the impact of market volatility and build your position gradually. This strategy is particularly effective in volatile markets like crypto. Step 4. Use staking and yield farming. Staking allows you to earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies in a wallet or on a platform. Yield farming involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms in exchange for rewards. Both strategies can help grow your portfolio without requiring constant trading. Step 5. Learn to trade smartly. While holding HODLing is a solid strategy, learning the basics of trading can help accelerate your portfolio growth. Focus on swing trading, capturing medium-term price movements. Spot trading. Avoid leverage initially to reduce risk. Use technical analysis tools and stay updated with market news to identify good entry and exit points. Step 6. Stay updated and educated. The crypto market changes rapidly. Keep up with trends, project updates, and regulatory news. Follow reputable crypto news platforms, watch expert tutorials, and join communities to stay informed. Step 7. Avoid common mistakes. Don't invest based on hype. Always research thoroughly before buying into any cryptocurrency. Don't panic sell. Market dips are part of the game. Stay calm and stick to your strategy. Don't overlook security. Use secure wallets and platforms to protect your assets from theft or hacking. Step 8. Take profits wisely. When your investments grow significantly, don't forget to lock in some profits. Reinvesting a portion and keeping some gains in stablecoins or fiat can help you compound returns while safeguarding against losses. If you're excited to start your crypto journey, now is the perfect time. We've included a link in the description and comments to open an account with one of the most trusted forex and crypto trading platforms. Click the link to get started and take your first step toward financial freedom. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share it with others who are interested in crypto, and subscribe to our channel for more proven strategies and tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help you on your crypto journey.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.